Hey guys, welcome back here to OkayestChef. I do enjoy making food here, so make sure to subscribe and like onto the video if you find this enjoyable. So today I'm going to be making a pork chop with sunflower seed gremolata. So the gremolata is the green part here. It has sunflower seeds in it. You're going to see how we're going to make this here in this video. Also, I am going to be serving a side of Brussels sprouts with miso. So this is a Brussels sprout miso glaze. This is a nice recipe that you guys can do at home and is very simple, very easy. A little bit of prep time, but it is nothing that is too difficult to do. And don't forget to have a slice of lemon and also squeeze that lemon on top of that pork chop because it is going to be freaking amazing. All right, now don't forget to hit thumbs up on the video, and if you are a foodie, you gotta subscribe now. So on this part, we're going to be making the miso glazed Brussels sprouts. I'm using the same wok as earlier. Now, I did make sure to scrape off anything that were sticking on the bottom of the wok. Now, I added some oil and butter. So don't just add a butter because it's going to burn the butter. Make sure that you have oil before you add butter. And then we're going to be putting in the washed Brussels sprouts that I cut in half. So make sure, cut it in half, remove the stem or remove the end piece of the Brussels sprouts and make sure to wash it thoroughly. The technique here with the Brussels sprouts is that you want it to caramelize, and that's going to bring out all this tasty flavor of the Brussels sprouts. A lot of people, associates Brussels sprouts with bitterness, but if you cook it this way that I'm making it, I can guarantee you that you're going to enjoy it and you're not going to taste any bitterness with it. So now I'm making my miso glaze. So I have a dashi water. So I had made a dashi stock in my previous video when I made my miso soup. You guys can check it out. And then I had my miso paste, and as well as I added mirin on that. So we're just going to stir that. We're going to add that later at the end in here once I see that the Brussels sprouts are caramelized. So this recipe is super easy. I think it's easy to follow. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. And if you find this interesting, also let me know. Anyway, I hope to hear from you because this is one of my really cool dishes that I've made so far. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna love this. You guys are gonna enjoy this. Now I'm adding a pinch of salt and pepper just to add a little bit more taste into the Brussels sprouts, but you don't have to because the miso glaze that we're going to be making, it's going to be very flavorful already. It's going to have that salt profile already for the food. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want to have too much sodium, then you may want to lay off on adding that pinch of salt.